Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has said that an undisclosed senior attorney will henceforth lead the defense team of the pro-Biafra separatist leader. Ejiofor revealed that a visit to Kanu in the detention of the Department of State Services (DSS) on Monday was described as a surprise Christmas present, with the inclusion of the lawyer he called a legal giant, a consummate member of the inner bar, a legal Iroko who has distinguished himself in the practice of law. Ejiofor decided not to reveal the identity of the new lawyer who would be in the front line of Kanu's legal battle against the Nigerian government, noting that we have opted to desist from publicizing to you our legal exploits for certain salutary reasons. It has also become necessary that we show such restraint because of the presence of moles who have infiltrated and literally taken over the social media space. The lawyer said this in an update on his visit to Kanu on Monday, which was made available to Sahara reporters on Tuesday. The statement read, "We paid our routine visit to our untiring, unwavering, unrelenting, rock-solid and noble clients, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, yesterday at the DSS detention facility at Abuja. The visit this time was spectacular and was greeted by an infectious air of camaraderie. Onyendu was particularly enthused by the visit and preferred to describe it as a surprise Christmas present. You may not understand the peculiarity of this visit and how significant it is, but in due course, I am certain you will be in the best position to fully appreciate the wisdom that informed it. Suffice it to say that as the lead attorney of Onyendu, I took advantage of the visit to unveil a legal giant, a distinguished and an accomplished member of the inner bar, whom I have chosen to fortify our defense team. The learned senior counsel is an excellent and a consummate learned gentleman, distinguished in academics and in the practice of law in our law courts. The reason that informed this arrangement is my unflinching desire to throw in every weapon in our arsenal to ensure that Onyendu gets the best at all times. This latest masterstroke, evidence in the legal giants that has intervened, came to Onyendu as a big surprise. Although he was not oblivious of my arrangements to enlist the assistance and cooperation of a senior attorney, he did not know that I could get a senior attorney of the rarest breed. He was particularly delighted to welcome this legal giant, a consummate member of the inner bar, a legal Iroko, who has distinguished himself in the practice of law when we visited him yesterday. I must state here and now that the senior attorney involved has been my mentor over the years. He has worked from the sidelines with our legal team since 2016. He's a man imbued with profound intellect, legal sophistry, and infectious sense of history, much like Onyendu, and of impeccable character. His brilliance radiates effortlessly. He is indeed an excellent advocate. The stage which we have attained in the court gymnastics involving Onyendu's signpost, an auspicious time at which to introduce the leading and erudite member of the inner bar to our defense team. Henceforth, he will lead our defense team in proceedings in court. At the meeting yesterday, we deliberated extensively on other issues, but such deliberations for tactical reasons are to remain private for now. I want to assure you, Umuchineke, that our legal team is presently more fortified than ever to do battle in court, and God being on our side, victory is assured. The statement said further, I must Listen to declare to you that we are not relenting in our firm resolve to secure the release of other members who have been unjustly and unlawfully incarcerated in the various detention facilities of Nigeria's security agencies all over the country. Some of those persons include Ada Nsuka, Idara, and others who were recently abducted by lawless and overzealous agents of the state. I assure you that in due course we will effectively utilize the instrumentality of the law to set them at liberty. The mere fact that we do not publicize our legal interventions in the social media space does not mean that we are not taking concrete and effective steps to ensure the release of all those unjustly detained. I assure you that we have been taking effective steps and implementing concrete measures geared towards that. That's a good one. That's a good one. Forward ever, backward never. Okay, they have gone far to retreat or to turn back again or to look back. So it's a good one. Definitely, this time Nigerians and the Umu Chineke, just like you said, we know the person, the Iri Iroko, the man that you have praised. This time the people will definitely know. Freedom at last, pride of East. Let me wait for Aboki and Amajiri for their comments first. Watch and see how Tijani, Musa and Co will jump and comment here. Why not is bleeding with bandits? That is their own cup of tea. And that is what is more important to them. I think Nnamdi Kanu is more important to them than their people. So their people are not really their priority. I learned recently from ACF, Arewa Consultative Forum, yes, saying that Northerners' life are not so precious to Buhari, and that is it. That he does not care about their lives. I'm surprised that they are singing a long song, that they stayed this long to now be speaking. So those who are going to be commenting on Nnamdi Kanu's case, that is to tell you that Nnamdi Kanu is more important to them than the North that is bleeding. Well, victory is sure. IPOB is winning. God bless Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, why is the IDP camp gate not opened yet for Amajiri to troop out and commence? They don't mention Nnamdi Kanu, they will all rush out from their hiding places. The man deserves freedom. Give him independence, Nigeria. There's always a need to step up. You don't watch masquerade standing in one place. It is not bad to make a change when one is more comfortable with the present settings. At the end, the will of the Elohim will happen. So guys, let's hear your opinion with this new arrangement.